Children's Museum of Sonoma County, and welcome to this week's art adventure. We're making bubble machines. For this project, you need a water bottle with the bottom cut off and the lid off too, a washcloth, a really stretchy rubber band, like a big one, and a container to put your bubble mixture in. Your bubble mixture is going to be dish soap, a lot of dish soap, and of course some water that you can mix in with the dish soap. You can play around to get the consistency that you like and see what kind of bubbles you can make. Now you're ready to make your bubble blower. Okay, this is a super simple but really fun project. Take your plastic bottle and your washcloth and you put it over the bottom of where you cut out the bottom of the bottle, wrap it around, and then take your rubber bands and you're gonna wrap it around like this, all right? So it's nice and tight. And then take your bubble mixture, dip it in. This one already has a lot of bubbles around it. And then you just blow. I hope you have so much fun blowing bubbles and that you'll join us next time for the next art adventure. Bye, take care.